Hi, I'm Jason Matthews with Matthews Painting Company. We continue our tutorial videos that we show each new employee that comes into our business on how to teach them how to be a professional painter. Today is just a very basic video on basic patching of nail holes and gouges on walls. Typically, we only use lightweight spackle for those things. Sometimes if we have an imperfection between first and second coat, we will use a lightweight spackle. Otherwise, we use a quick set hard joint compound, which we will show you in a later video. We like this 3M patch plus primer. It's really nice because it does not flash, meaning when you paint over this spackle, it doesn't tend to actually cast a different sheen coming through your actual wall paint. So these are just some holes that I actually put in this drywall here. Now some of these you can actually fill. They're not actually going concave or they're not going inward. If that's the case, we do not want to just patch those. We actually want to use the back of our putty knife. We can use a Phillips screwdriver, any hard instrument, and we just kind of push hard until you do not feel that drywall paper actually protruding outward. Once all the holes are pushed in, or if any of them need pushed in, these other ones feel very smooth and they're not protruding. That one right there is. I'll push that in a little bit. We then come in with the spackle. Now you've seen a lot of people just kind of go on and put it on like that. That's what we don't want. That would require a lot of extra sanding. So I'm going to scrape those back off. Now you can go up with quite a bit of spackle, but once you put it on like that, you want to take it all back off. We do like to push really hard into the hole before we take off the excess. The reason we do that is we like to fill the hole completely, and by pushing hard, as soon as you get away from the actual hole that you patched, that spackle is actually pushing out. So it will actually create a bit of a convex type pattern, so that when you come and sand that, it'll then sand completely flush. Whereas if you don't take enough spackle and push hard, like if we just do this softly and fill, you're really not getting to the back of the hole, so that then when you sand and paint, you can still see that you have a little bit of a concave area. So I'm going to go ahead and just patch these how we normally would. Push hard and off, hard and off, hard and off. Now if you notice, I have my putty knife laid down. I don't have it up. That's what allows the spackle to go into the hole. And then here I will bring my putty knife up. That allows the spackle to come off of the wall and off of the hole.